Henrietta. Thank you for joining me today for Crafty Kids. For today's supplies, you'll need assorted color of yarn. We're going to use craft pipe cleaners. We're going to use a recyclable cardboard, or you can use a cereal box. You're going to grab a stick from the outside tree. We're going to use a bird template, and then you can also use construction paper, or if you have some felt scrap that we can use, grab a pencil, a craft stick, scissors. Two options, you can use emerald glue or you can use hot glue gun. So we're going to take our recyclable cardboard. You can use any template, or you can draw a bird on your cardboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my bird template. And I just mainly want the shape of the bird. So you're going to place it on your cardboard. Okay, we're going to take our pencil and we're going to highlight, trace, and that way we know where to cut. Cardboard might be a little bit hard to cut, so you might need to have an older adult to help you, or use a big. I'll probably need to use a bigger scissors. Another option, if you want to do, is you can paint your cardboard. You can paint it white and then use the yarn, but I want it just a natural cardboard color, so I'm going to leave it like this. And then you're going to take your yarn. You can use a assorted color of yarn. I'm going to use okay, so another thing is you can leave it plain like this. I'm going to go ahead and cut a little few into the cardboard, not too long, just small enough so I can thread the yarn in my cardboard. If you don't want to cut it, this is where you can use the glue or the hot glue gun, and then dab your glue onto the yarn. Okay, so I'm going to take my yarn here, and I'm going to go ahead and in the back dab some hot glue. I'm going to start, grab my craft stick. I don't want to touch the hot glue, so I'm going to make sure that is sealed. Okay, and then I'm going to take my yarn, and where I made the cuts, I'm going to slowly put my yarn through there. You can also, once in a while, dab some glue onto the where the yarn is going to be. And don't pull too hard. Once you wrap your yarn around the cardboard, put some glue in the back. And I'm going to change up the yarn. So I'm going to cut here. So I'm going to change the color and use gray. Same thing again. I'm going to take my glue, put it in the back. Okay. So you can fix the edges. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and give a bird an eye, you can use googly eyes, or you can use the craft foam sheet. So I'm going to go ahead and use the foam sheet. I'm going to place the eye on here. Okay. So the wing here on the bird, I'm going to cut that out. And I want to use let's do a light blue. I'm going to go ahead and place this on the foam sheet. You can also use construction paper if you don't have foam sheet. You can also use feathers if you have some craft feathers laying around. You can also use feathers. Okay. Once I got that, I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to place it there. Oops. So I'm just going to dab a couple of hot glue in the back. Place it over the yarn. I'm going to go ahead and grab craft stick, pipe cleaner, okay, where I want to place the okay. Okay, so I got one small and one large. I'm going to take the small and I'm going to bend and make the feet. Okay, turns around. Then I'm going to dab some glue. Place. Move it a little bit. There. Okay. Give the bird a peek. Okay, you can grab a stick from outside. We'll go ahead and place it on here. If you want to make the legs a little bit longer, you can also do that. Okay, so let it dry. And then you can hang it. You can add a string and hang it. And then here's another different bird that I made. So this one I use googly eyes and I used different color of yarn, and then I added a wing, and then same thing, I made the legs a different color and put it on a stick. And in honor of National Bird Day for January 5th, our craft will be making birds. Once you complete your project, go ahead and take a picture and put it in the comment section below. We would like to see your complete bird that you had completed and what color yarns you have used. I'm Henrietta, and go to our website, visit all of our upcoming 2024 program activities, and if you have any questions, you can give us a call. You can also stop by the library or go to the website and request for a supply kit. There the staff will get it ready for you and you can pick it up. I'm Henrietta. Thank you for joining me today, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.